Nice.
Oh!
Get him, Dakota. We'll take that.
Then their wing would stay on you. So next time that happens, I want you to run like a crash right on me, right? So that way, I got my guy, and then that outside guy. You know what I mean? He's getting neutralized.
They went wrong. Went to a back alley.
Justin, you look soft. Justin, you look soft.
Hey, Justin,
You're recording, right? Soft, Justin. You look tired. You look tired. Not enough cardio at the gym, Justin.
Lay off the
Let's go, Justin.
Yeah!
Why are we not contesting? Watch your wing. It's like rugby league. No, we're gonna do it in the afternoon.
We're contesting it.
Yeah, no, it's just those two teams don't have forwards. That's
I'm
why.
thinking about going more with the Highlanders if they need forwards.
The rush needed to.
Hey, not too much because I'm gonna.
I bite.
Well,
I think when we
I'm too small to play cops.
Stay here, man, as long as nobody's rushed.
Yeah, 3 scores.
No, no, the dogs will be.
Can we contest it against the water dog?
Yeah, everybody else we will be. Yeah, the rush no, because they don't have forwards.
and then the Marauders,
Highlanders, they didn't have any forwards. Tristan's injured and.
that's why they're so
Yeah. Oh, I gotta go down there and film.
He almost got it. He almost had a 50.
Did you film me that game, Chip? You see my try?
I didn't.
Did you get my try in? No.
I didn't film.
Oh, okay.
I filmed the very end.
You think someone did?
So, I think so. I think Justin might have been
Yeah,
filming.
let's go. I know Spicy J got me. I need to. You're right. I just need to pass sooner. They know I'm committing this.
Man, you should be a little faster. Just try harder. Just be better.
Oh boy. Jesus. What? Forward pass. Oh man. That's the problem with filming. You can't see what's really happening.
Hey, Chip.
Hi, buddy. Nice of you to wake up and join us.
I'm sorry.
Suck. You. Go back to bed.
So innocent. Go, Ted.
Man, how you doing?
How you doing?
Doing well.
Watch this kid. Yellow. Jacob, wait. Thank you. Forward 10.
No highlight reel, but good ball.
Ooh. Damn it.
Nice, got it.
Heads up! Heads! Good exit, boys!
Oh, is that half?
So,
Yeah.
4K HD. Oh, good offload.
Go, Rome. That's
Wheels. Nice. Attaboy, Jacob.
Yeah, Rome.
Woo!
There you go.
Yeah.
That's the second time we scored off weak sides. Oh, shit. And it works, but close. Ah.
He loves that forward pass.
He really does.
Yeah. You like that? Looking at the camera?
Hey, Fish, filming those Waterboy highlights for me?
Oh, yeah. I got you. There he goes. There goes my hero.
That's not. He was running his line.
Oh, come on. Fly up and kill him. There we go.
Oh, loose ball.
Oh, come on.
Yeah.
Oh, my God.
Make it hit, Calvin!
Fresh out of jail, California dreaming. Soon as I step on the scene, I'm hearing hoochie screaming. Fiending for money and alcohol. The life of a West Side player with cowards out in a strong wall. Only in Cali will we riot, not rally to live and die. In LA we wear checks, not rally. That's right. They love to cut your suits and ride. It's what we do. Flossing but half caution.
I know, but fuck it. It shouldn't be out there then.
Last game it made sense.
Yeah, for sure. They said we're not going to contest every one, though, and it just depends on the ref, so. Let's go, Dawgs! Yo, rest in peace, bro. Rest in peace, Juice WRLD. I don't need no money to be savage. Why are you offloading that?
Take that!
In the red zone?
Thank you!
Boys,
play discipline. Player structure.
Okay. Is that Hawkins? Yeah, it is.
It's an uncontested scrum.
Contested.
Contest him. Oh, win.
He won't. Ref won't let us.
Why is he blowing it up if it's uncontested? That makes no fucking point.
Yeah, I see.
It's insane.
Uncontested ruck is
Unsafe engagement in a non-engaged scrum.
Thought this was rugby, sir.
Collapsing an uncontested scrum.
Keep.
Boy.
Boy, Nolan.
Beautiful. Thank you.
Jacob for Tanner, please. All right.
Want to see 3 tries, Tanner.
He said, okay. Who plays next?
Russian someone else.
Russian Highlanders, probably.
No, I think it's Russian Scots.
Is it?
I think so.
Really? I'm trying to hop in that match.
We play the Scots after that, though.
Do we?
I think.
Like right after. I'll have to check.
I'm a fan of the Scots jerseys.
Yeah, they're pretty. The white.
The white with
the
just
white
like
and the plaid.
The plaid like on the shoulder.
Oh yeah. I used to play with the Scots, and like I've been kind of like swinging on when we have like an off week, or like when they have a game. So like that Thursday we played the Barbells. I went and played with them as Marauders on Saturday. That was fucking fun.
The guy was standing right up on the line.
That's why I knew. Actually, never mind. Never mind. I'm filming.
Oh my goodness.
Cookie dog.
Dog.
Let's go.
Yeah.
All right.
But you can just pause it for now.
Okay.
Oh man, I'm nervous. It's dense, baby.
How much do you weigh? 240?
Let's go, Scots!
It's like 375.
One is too low, man. I'd fucking.
Let's go, Scots! Good boot, man! Go, Scots! Good puncher! Nice, Caleb!
Shoot. I'll get it from
Let's go, sure.
Go on, go on!
Oh yeah.
No!
Go down! Go down, get rid of Wilson!
Go!
No, hold on, stay up. Hold out. Pull him out. Use the hands, Wilson!
Good try, Wilson. Rip his fucking hair out.
Huh?
That was yours.
Let's get you a decent mouth cut.
You don't need those teeth.
Dan, look for that outside.
I guys use your mark.
Yeah.
RD.
Rodney.
It's coming his spot.
He got some junk in his trunk.
Keep in there, boys. Who goes? There's Wilson. Good pick. Good pick.
Well done, Jack.
Chase it, Matt! Chase it, Matt! Set up now, set up now. Quick, set up. Boy, go that early!
No, watch out.
Yeah.
Go! Auto!
Oh yeah, there we go. Get with it.
Second game ever. Fuck yeah. Hey, you got the spirit, man.
Good lads, keep it clean.
You gotta do it in the next game.
Where are you today?
Win that! Win that! Run away, White! Run away! Right here!
Yes, Izzy! Yes! Mark your man!
Kevin!
I assisted referee for the first game and my shoes were so happy. This is my coach.
No conversion.
Attaboy, hot rod!
Is that right?
Scots, no, let's fix it.
Capitalize. Come on, boys.
Oh, wow.
Well done, you bumped a scrummy. Jack, get right! Pulls out! Get out! Watch that! Not high. There's no way. Knock on. Jack, you alright? Lay down.
What's the hooker's name? Jack?
What?
He's number 2. His name is Jack?
Jack.
Oh.
Second. Tight. Crouch. Bind. Set. And drive. 2, 3.
Stop that ball, come on.
Leave.
Damn, I think Kelly's down.
Scots, water.
I think this turf worked. Good to see you. Hey, how you doing, Joe? Good. You might be your name again. I'm sorry. More bright. How you doing? It's pretty nice out here today.
Yeah.
I know you're filming.
Yeah, much better.
Yep. And now!
Come on, Scott! Woo!
Oh, hey, thank you.
Let's go, Scots! Let's go, boys! Come on! Here for you! Yeah. Play our game, Scots! Play our game! Oh, yeah.
It's right! It's right! No, no!
Get him, David!
Come on, boys. Knock on Scott. Special, one of the boys, isn't it? Didn't he play for all you guys? Oh, no. I think he's talking about you. Yeah, that's what I meant. Yeah, that's what I thought. Bill. Yes. Yeah. You tired yet, Justin?
Your hair looks good, Justin.
It's very flowy. All right.
Scott's all right. Back on low. Low. Quit hacking at the chest. Back on low.
Oh, knowledge.
Let's go, Scots!
Play, Dakota. Good play.
Lower, Kelly! Chase this.
Thank you, Scotty. Great kick, Scott. Great job, Scott. Hey, great try, too. How are you?
Look, wait, this is what you think, you know, because it's one.
Count! 9! 6! Come on!
And that's the half.
Sideways.
Let's go, Fig! Nice, Jack. Get flat, boys. Get flat. Get flat. It's in. Nice. Yes, Noah. Go on, there you go, man.
Not yet.
Yeah, there was that thing that he came in to clean it. I guess he's saying everything's good now. I get a bunch of raptors. That's crazy. It's like see from here. It was slow motion. Yeah, but no. You can see the hesitation from his own goal, you know.
Mark up! Mark your man! Eyes up! Mark your man!
Nice. Good job, boys. They can't handle the weight.
It's still live. It's still live. It's still live. It's still live. It's. Oh, there we go. Kind of unnerving. You'll keep saying Alan. I'm like, the other guy.
You got waters. You got waters. Hey.
Yeah, no.
As soon as the ball gets in his hands at 15, he's in the back.
Let's go, Scrappy.
Big hit, Brian.
You can go kick that ball.
Right. That was awesome. That's a big nope.
You're playing against.
Brother, I thought you were ignoring me like, hey, I'm going to go out, see what James, you're right. Notice him out. Oh, Kevin's right in this hole, James. Now check it. Switch. Yeah, dodge.
It's our kickoff.
No.
Get there, get there! Get it!
Thank you.
Everyone's yelling at him. Kevin's like, who's for it? No, I'm okay.
Yeah.
I mean, these guys are really good.
They're just doing it. I guarantee you fucking want to get the ball. That's how you want to well, they're coming up in their step. Come on. That's what I'm saying. It's just, we gotta leave them to figure it out. Just so you know.
There's a little bit I can tell. I want to sit on the grass.
That's fine.
Looks like that one was good.
Scotty, I'm making some subs. Cold for Dosh. I tried. Yeah.
Yeah, keep the balls on the halfway. Keep them on the halfway line.
Get it, Fred! That's your ball, Fred!
Ankle top!
Tackle low!
Man.
No better.
There you go, Bryce.
Get my hands around the
Let's go!
There you go! Yes.
Good D, boys.
Better out than in.
Hold on, there's someone down.
Maybe not this next one. I get what you mean. We gave you the last two. Good luck, buddy.
Their scrum has like, if you want, I've been into the team comes on this. They're having great. I'm doing very well.
The crowd's going
I always have a question that's fun, always, because that's where the majority of them are going to come, and it has to go past the front jumper to get it.
Somebody taller than you.
There's certain people who tell you Mark your man! Eyes up! Mark your man wants to switch!
Take space! Move up! I haven't been there because I tore my we'll wait, you know, and just trying to see what the referee was afraid. You know how we go play touch. You know, like, let me
Good kick, Matt!
around and referee.
Do you even think it's acceptable to play semi-pro players against fucking teams? Actually,
I'll just easy.
Let's go, Scrappy, take one to the house.
Shower off, start off with this and then yeah, okay. And enjoy the boys.
Still doing it.
Coming up, you know.
There we go.
Chase! Everybody's kind of scrapey off that. And the crowd is breaking out.
Actually,
Quick!
I got laid off in February, so I'm working part-time. Okay. Just took a trip back to looking at back. Chemistry position is here. But my wife knows also.
Yeah, there we go.
Let's go. They went in.
Well done, Bryce.
Let's go, Davey! Come on, there he goes!
Hold it!
Get on it!
There we go. Phases! Take it in! Get with him!
Somebody get with them!
Phase!
Support!
We're out there. Yeah.
He tried. That was some pretty rugby right there.
Look at that. We start doing some phases. Look at us doing well against them.
They're getting
That's a great rugby right there, Scots. Great rugby. Well done, Scots.
Well, and our guys aren't playing the work.
Get back line, get some depth here. Don't be flat.
He's got his foot on it, he's got his hands on it. Just sloppy, silly business. That.
Not good.
Come on, Mike. Mark your man. Mark your man. One man, one tackle.
Balls out!
Whose man is that? No, Bryce.
Coming wide!
Big hit, big hit.
Big hit! Man!
Oh, he got tripped.
Immediately.
You want to run touch again? You want to run touch? Not right now. I'm doing a video for the Water Dogs. Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Water!
Water, guys. Water over there.
Oops. Nope. Boy, that was really wide. About 4 more minutes left, I think.
Sorry, I'll be enough live. I just want to get a couple minutes.
Damn.
Not right! Not right!
What way is he? What Chip? Is he up? Oh my God. Water. Where's the other water? Get that water out there, fellas. Water. I think it's already out there. Yeah, they've left it out there. No, it's there. I think Izzy's hurt. Do we have a jump on Izzy's out? Josh! Oh, wait, hold on. Yeah, James. Get Izzy off. On our team. Come on, Liam. Get hurt. We roll into the next game immediately. These made a lot of great tackles there. Yeah. Oh guys, if this is game, we're jogging it down.
Yeah, they do now. We took a long time.
I think you have about another minute.
Who are we playing against after this? Falcon? So that's why we're going blue. That's what I saw. Oh, that's nice.
Whoa!
take that.
Someone took it.
Nice, Nolan. Yeah, let's go, Gallo.
Good job.
Good shit, Nolan. Good fucking good.
Nolan's having a game right now.
Really just like how strong.
Yeah. Or how fat. 8th grade, being fat, you know, that's just.
Get him stickers. Nice tackle.
He fucking
Oh, I don't like that.
Why you?
Come from.
Exactly. I get off work, I'm like, well, I've been here 8 hours. I've seen 100 people that are, you know, they didn't want to be here today. Fuck it.
That's good. I like that. Use that use it as motivation.
Exactly. Come on, just punch that in. Oh, fuck.
Dude, it was gonna be cool though.
Yeah. Shit, James is alone.
Nice hands.
Oh.
Nice hands again.
Oh, shit. What's the score right now? Oh shit!
Get him a beer. Get him a beer.
Be here today. Fuck it.
That's good. I like that. Use that use it as motivation.
Exactly. Come on, just punch that in.